there, you got me doing my work. Just wait a moment, I'm just gonna put this flower on. Oh, you must be thinking, I'm playing with Lego today. So that's a thing I need. So, what are we going to do today? We're building this. This is a Lego, not Lego, but it's a model that's built Lego. There's like pieces are Legos. So, this is our what we are gonna build, and these are the characters we're even gonna have. And this is creation, and it's written. There was a series name. Creation. This was Garden Villa series. It's written back. Okay, it has this product number is 32052 Garden Villa 458 pieces. Recommended for ages 6 and up. So we can collect these ones, and I have this one. We can collect all of these, and we're gonna just play with these and all that. So let's start with this. So I saw the pieces, and this will be a little small when I opened it. I already opened it, but I saw the pieces. So let's see what we have in here. So it's really opened. When I was opening it, it got a little bad with itself. So we're just gonna open it. We have one bag. We have a small little base. We have another bag. We have one more bag, and one more. And the thing that takes out your pieces you have mistakenly, and your extraction guide. No stickers are in here. If you want them, you cannot get. So let's just put it down. And okay, so let's get started. So I have some scissors. Maybe these things have something that they can open. No, they don't. So we shall open them by ourselves with the scissors, and use a little one scissor that is not that sharp. Use that one. And this is a little more sharper scissors. So let's just open this up. Just take the pieces. So first of all, we will take our instruction guide. So it tells what pieces we need, what we don't need. Okay, let's see the instruction guide. This is the first step, actually. I don't know. Okay, this is our first step. So it says take out these pieces. Okay, we will take out those. We'll see which pack has these. It don't have numbers, so we just have to find this out. Where do we even have these? Yeah, this one. The one that I was picking up lately. Let me just put this microwave. Now let's cut it up. Scissors are sharp. If you have too much sharp, you need adult. Or if you're 6 years old, you can maybe use scissors. Yeah, you can use. If you know how to, you will not cut anything out. So the things you have to cut. So let's go. Okay, let's just. Okay, we need one big base. This is here. I have more bigger bases, but this one is a nice size of the base. So let me just make my seat comfy, myself comfortable. Okay, we need 38 of these black pieces, and we need 38 of these white pieces, and 4 of these black dots, and we don't have these cylinder gray pieces. We'll just take them out in a moment. So let's just take the pieces we have in this pack. Okay, so now let's take our cylinder pieces. There are in here. We're gonna rip it off. Oh, actually, you can open it up. So maybe you don't need an adult. Maybe you will if you do not know how to make this. Maybe you will. If you're making Lego the first ever time, you need this. it's gonna go about 3 from here. 1, 2, 3. So we're just gonna put this on. It's so hard to put tiny pieces on. Really, it's hard. Okay, let's pick this up. This is not gonna go well. So this will take a little time, so we need to do something about it. So I was needing some help with it. So the check area, so as I did this one, I didn't go further. I just did one check area, and then I will do the other check areas as well, as you can see. So let me count these. I think I have made these a little too much, maybe. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it took me a while by doing these marble, the black and white marble things. So I'm just doing the 2 last blocks, like this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. So our first step was hard because I see that these villa sets first steps are hard. Then you will get excited about it. So this is what we have done. As you can see the pattern, you can take a screenshot and see how we have done. If you have lost your instructions sheet, I'll show you every step after. So this is our thing we have done. Just get it closer. There. Can you see it now? There. I think you can. Okay, now let's do this. So what we're gonna do next, we will be using the yellow ones and now. So I took a little break while eating something because I just ate breakfast like in 3 to 2 hours ago. So now I'm gonna do my next this step. Okay, we just need one more little piece to fix it on. Here, there we go. We're done. So take a screenshot and do your picture. Screenshot done. You're good to go. Okay, now let's go on the other step. This video is gonna go a little slow, but we're gonna do it a little fast. As you can see, the video is going a little faster than my last videos. You can see that, can you? So we need 5 of these square pieces. Maybe after a minute you will be knowing what I'm about to tell. Okay guys, so we were about to do, but in the meanwhile you were gone. No, I was gone. That our memory card of our camera got full, and now I didn't want to be boring and I didn't want to wait for the video, so I just started and it got a really better way. Now I made it and it got this big gymnastic, and it's like from inside like this and outside like this. It's really nice and cool. I love it. I like it. It's cool. I do know that. Okay, so this is what I have done for now. And I was eating my frog. Wow, hungry. I don't know what to do. So I'm on level 2 of these. My mic. I know you don't want to go on Lego pieces, but I do want to eat popcorn. 2 of these as I showed you. So I was having some technical difficulties because I made a mistake. Not me, but the blocks made a mistake that they weren't fitting, so I needed to get more of the blocks from my sets. So there's some blocks that I don't really need right now, so we're just gonna put them away. Okay, so we have done the step number 10, and now we are on step number 10, 11, 12, which is the hard step, as I told you. So we're gonna take out the 3 of these guys. And the star, I didn't show you even how the step goes. So this is how it looks now. So I have the piece that was I telling you about that I didn't find. I've just find it in a moment, and I have completed the step number 10, 11, 12. Step number 12 in just a moment, and now I am doing step number 14. I don't know why I'm doing step number 14. Didn't need to do that one step. Okay, so we're done with our step number 14. Now we're on step number 15. So let's go on. So first of all, we'll be needing 3. Okay, let me just take them out. And so I can show you what they are. We need 3 of these blue glass, and 3 of these white tees. And then frames, and then we have to take the blue glass, and then we just so then we have to put that, and then we have to put this inside. So guys, it was a difficult by just doing a normal ordinary thing. That's so difficult by doing the extractions. So I just went through the windows. After the windows, I just put the things that I needed and the strengths all together. But actually the house came pretty well as it was looking from outside. Some pieces were taken out of my own Lego, so you will not maybe get all of the pieces. And these were the extras, and I don't know why those pieces weren't there, which I wanted that time. I'm so tired now after doing this all. So tired. Oh, and this is what I have done. The roof. Oh no, the rooftop. Okay, this is what I have done. Who just sneezed? Okay, so we have a bench, a little flowery area, for a door outside. Let's make this, and we have 2 little windows here. We have windows here and around here. We have an entrance here. We have the flowery area where you can put in flowers, and then we have a window here. We have windows here, as I showed you. These are the windows which there we go. I don't know. These are really hard to put on. I will put them on actually. And these windows open like this. And this house pretty much came as I was thinking about. As you can see, the box has this on it. But we didn't make these things, whatever they are. We just didn't. So, this was a hard time. It was like taking us, we started at 1 o'clock and now it's about 6 o'clock or something. Let me see. Oh yeah, it's about 7 o'clock. It took a lot of time. It like took my whole day making this. Now I'm really tired. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.